In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name in Outlook Mail. If you want to update the name that appears on your Outlook account, the process is very simple and only takes a few moments. This can be useful if you recently changed your name, noticed a spelling mistake, or just want your account details to be more accurate. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Outlook on your device. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to update the name. Once Outlook is open, look for your Profile section. This is usually located near the top area of the screen, depending on the version of Outlook you're using. Click on your profile and then select My Microsoft account. This will take you to the Microsoft account page connected to your Outlook email. Once you're on that page, look for the option called Your Info and click it. This section contains your personal account details, including the name currently linked to your Microsoft account. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds, especially if you're on a slower connection. Inside the Your Info section, find the option labeled Edit Name. Click on it to open the name editing area. Here, you'll be able to enter your new name. Carefully type in the updated first and last name exactly how you want it to appear. It's a good idea to double-check the spelling before saving, since this name may show across other Microsoft services connected to the same account. After entering your new name, click Save to confirm the change. Once saved, your account information will be updated. In some cases, the change may appear immediately, while in others, it can take a little time to sync across Outlook and other Microsoft services. If you don't see the new name right away, try refreshing the page or signing out and back in again. That's all you need to do. Open Outlook, go to your profile, select My Microsoft account, click your info, choose Edit Name, enter your new name, and save the changes. As a final tip, make sure you're editing the correct Microsoft account if you use more than one, since the update only applies to the account you're currently signed into. And that's how to change the name in Outlook Mail.